Assalamu-Alaikum. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. I was just filming one and I have this beautiful abaya on and I couldn't resist. I have to show you another look with the abaya and with my beautiful square scarf. So it will be another tutorial and I'm really excited to show you what this will look like. How are you? Welcome to my channel. If you have not been here before, welcome. I hope you like what you see. I hope you will press that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the all so that you will never miss another video from me. Because you know what? You will enjoy being here. And I hope you stick around. There's lots there. Take a look at all the other videos that are listed. You will enjoy them. There's always something to gain from one of them, any one of them. And I bring them with such enthusiasm. So I hope you feel like what I'm feeling. I hope you do. Okay, and for those my followers and the ones who have already been here and supporting me, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for being with me on this journey. I'm really enjoying this, and I'm thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for bringing you into my life and into this journey that I've started. It's a beautiful journey, and together we're going to take it to really higher heights. That's the intention, inshallah. Inshallah. So without further ado, let me tell you what I'm going to do today. I've got on this beautiful abaya. I've got on my ninja to cover my neck, because I'm hoping that the look that I give will cover, but I don't want to cover too much because the abaya has this really beautiful design that covers the frontage. It doesn't really show the front a lot. It's the sparkles that are there, the design that's there is covering the front. So I'm going to attempt to put a square scarf on and wrap it nicely so we can still see some of that design. So I've got the ninja on, and I've got this really nice cap that's got some volume in the back. It gives you a bit of volume in the back here, because when with me, when I put my hair up, even that my hair is up, it's not that much, so it seems flat. So this one here, I mean, it's beautiful that it's made like that, so it gives you a little bit of volume. So I've got this square scarf. It's a square scarf. It's a beautiful, it's not for everyday use. Honestly, it's just for dressing up and feeling beautiful about yourself. So I'm going to attempt to show you how we get a really nice look using a square scarf on this dress, on this abaya that's so fancy. Now I'm folding it evenly into triangle, and I'm going to just put it over here like that. It's a scarf that I've made myself, so it's not even because the fabric was not enough. So what I've done is really fold it a bit off so that it folds evenly, so the back can have that. If you look at it, you can see that it has coverage in the back. I don't really think I need it today for this tutorial, but let me just show you what I'm going to do. So basically what I'm going to do is pull that. I don't want the inner cap showing, so I've got my two finger here with some pressure, and I'm going to pull that like that. The fabric is a bit of a stretchy material, so it's really nice. You can work with it very easily. And I'm just going to use any one of these safety pin, and I'm going to pin it here. And now all I'm going to do is bring this across. And I'm going to stick it in here. So far so good. And I've got this other piece that I'm going to take it around. See, I'm just giving myself, and I'm going to stick it in there again. Now, what I'm going to do with the back is I'm going to put it inside the abaya, only because it's for the look that we're creating today for this abaya. And I think I've got it in there. And there you are. It's Eid time. Eid look. Eid. Simple, easy, quick. And all it is it's a triangle. Well, it's a square scarf. And what I've done is I've folded it into a triangle. I put one safety pin here. The fabric is a bit of a lycra, so there's no need. It's a bit of a, like, it's similar to a jersey fabric, so there's no need for any kind of pins up here. It sits beautifully, and I've pinned it, wrapped one around, and stuck it in here. And the other side, I've done the same thing and stuck it in here. And you've got this beautiful, beautiful look with no effort, effortless. And there you go. Quick, easy. This is just an add-on to the last tutorial, but I have to show you what it looks like. You've got nice, it's covered nicely in the back. And here you are. You're ready for your Eid celebration, really. It's so pretty. It looks beautiful. It's elegant, actually. It's very elegant looking, and it was very easy to put together. See, what the important thing is for me is I'm wearing a ninja. You don't necessarily need to wear a ninja. Whatever makes you comfortable. If you want to wear just a cap, if you want to wear just a tubing, any one of those works. And some sisters go without anything. They're comfortable wearing it without any. I don't like any of the hair showing. I don't like having to worry about, oh, I have to fuss, there's something showing here or here, whatever. So this is why I put the underpiece and the inner cap or the ninja. And for me, I feel very comfortable, even if I'm wearing a very thin scarf here. If I'm wearing my ninja, my neck is covered. The back of my neck is covered. So there's nothing showing through, because I like it. I'm wearing a hijab and I want it to be proper. Okay? And that's, I mean, like I said, it's your preference, what you prefer, but it is my duty. I'm here on this platform to help you, my sisters. So this is what I want to say to you. Whatever makes you comfortable, but on the other hand, if we're going to do this, we do it the right way. And this is the right way. You're covered, you're beautiful, but you are doing it with respectfully. And here you are. Did you like that? I did. I love the look of it. It's beautiful. Look at it. It's so pretty, isn't it? Because of the design on the abaya, we've worn this style so that we've got coverage here, but the design on the abaya is showing. And we're ready. We're ready to do whatever we're doing, celebrating for this Ramadan. So I thank you for looking. I hope you enjoy that. And if you did like it, please press the like button. Do share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Press the all so that you'll never miss another video from Hijabs and You and me, 𝗙cie. Until we meet again, please do stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Make the best of every moment. Always, always. Be happy, because you must know that if it's rough, there's someone who has it a lot tougher. So always be thankful for the little mercies from Allah SWT. And when we get big mercies, we are thankful as well, but the little ones count. So until we meet again, you do take care. Asalam-o-Alaikum.